Hey everyone, goldfries here, and this is the NZXT Hue 2 Ambient RGB lighting kit. How does it work? Check out this clip that I recorded of my gaming session. As you can see, the ambient light changes according to my game scene, and that's what it is. So this is the kit itself. If you like your man cave to have beautiful lights behind the screen, this is the product for you. How it works is that all you need to do is have this device connected to the back of your screen and have it powered, connected to the USB, and link the RGB strips to the connectors, and you are good to go. Now there are two models for it. The one with me here is the one for the 27 to 35 inch, and that's monitor, that is, and there's another one is that's catered to 21 inch to 26 inch monitors. Now, so you need to know which monitor size you're going to use with. Unfortunately for this model, in my lab I only have a 40 inch screen here, and the rest of my screens are 24, so I had a little difficulty setting up, which is an experience. I can tell you that if you bought it for the wrong size, it would not be that good. You can see the recording, it looks quite alright actually, but then it's not the best you can get out of it, so make sure you get it of the correct size. The Hue 2 Ambient RGB lighting kit retails for RM429, which I think is alright considering how smart it is. If you don't like to use it for this ambient lighting, you can use it to get it to change temperature according to your CPU temperature, GPU temperature, music, and so on and so forth. There's really many ways to go about it. If you've experienced, those of you who have experienced the Hue system from NZXT, you know that they have the best looking RGB light strips ever, and that's what I feel about it, and the software is excellent. So there you have it, the kit. Get the right size. Some of you might also be wondering what's the difference. Well, obviously being catering for different size monitor, it means that there's a different length of RGB LED strip for you to use to match with your monitor size. The only downside, well, if you ever upgrade monitor or decide to take it off, you should know that the adhesive at the back will fade through time, so you have to resort to some tapes and other measures, but rest assured, great product. So I'm giving it a gold badge for this innovation, how it can just detect your screen output and show the colors on the background to match it. Beautiful stuff. It's not for me though. I'm the type that likes my screen to be as it is without background changing colors because I find it distracting, but this might be the one for you, especially if you like your room, your ambient to be matching with your screen. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.